Well, hello, X. This is Pager Pete, and I've got a couple relics here. So first of all, get a good look at these. These are almost impossible to find. Well, we found them, and we're going to show you how to install these. You got to pull the tape off and let this breathe for about 30 seconds. All right, let's put it in and find out what happens. Oh, look at that. Hey, it works. All right, well, you guys want to get a good look at it, what it is. The model number is down here. But yeah, it works. This is Pager Pete signing out with a 213-411 or whatever else you can write on a calculator, turn it upside down, and read it.